Good morning, friends. Today is Thursday, January 9th, 2020. We are one day closer to the weekend, and I know this has been a bit of a long week since it's our first full week back to school after the break, so I'm sure everyone's excited for the weekend. But we do have some learning to do these next 2 days, so let's go ahead and go over what we're looking at. Since today is Thursday, we do have Learning Lab from 1 to 3, so you can stop one out, say hello, do some homework help. My third and fourth graders, you will be taking your English map assessment today at 10 o'clock, so please be prepared to take that. And yesterday, I only had one learner who did not take the math map assessment. So 5 out of 6 is pretty good. My one learner, we talked already, you have to take the makeup on Monday. Let's try to get 6 out of 6 today. My K through 2 learners, remember that you just have to do, for ConnectU, you're answering 3 quick questions for me. And my third and fourth grade learners, after you take the map test, make sure that you respond to the question on our Google Classroom, just so I have documentation that you took the map assessment. And then tomorrow we have the map assessment for science, and that is also at 10. And then the makeup's Monday at 10. Other announcements, I sent out a survey yesterday afternoon, and so far I've had heard from Wyatt and Cassidy. Let me pull it up so I can show you what we're looking at here. Okay, so this is the survey I sent out, questionnaire for marking period 2. I would like to hear from you by Monday, so please, as soon as you can, just go ahead and fill this out. It starts out with your name, so my name is, and you fill in the blank. For our weekly check-in, would you like to keep the time that you have, or is it not working for you anymore and you'd like to change it? And if you would, what are some times? Would you be interested in having a learning lab held in or near your community? Yes, no, or maybe. And if it's you're not interested, please tell me why you're not interested. And if you are, tell me where you live. And I have some options here for where we might be able to have Learning Lab. So I've listed all the libraries in the Blair County area, since that's where Duncansville is. And libraries are quiet, so that's why I picked those. But I'm willing to meet anywhere that is public. So if maybe you live in Altoona, but you're not super close to the Altoona Library, and it's hard to travel that far, that is totally okay. Just tell me somewhere close to you that we can meet. I cannot come to your house. It has to be somewhere where other people are. So like maybe a little coffee shop, store, the mall, anywhere at all. But I picked quiet places to what it's better for learning. But anywhere that you can meet, just let me know, because I'm here to work with you. So if you pick other, this would be for you to fill in. So like all these places don't work, but this place does. That's where you can fill it in, and there's more space down here. Would you be interested in having a learning lab over Zoom? And then it's kind of the same thing, why or why not? And would you be interested in having like a homeschool hub or story hour? This is something that I would love to get started, but I wanted to see if I have an interest out there before I go through the process of creating that. So this would be kind of like just an opportunity for you all to get together and talk with other kids your age who are a part of the cyber program and make some new friends and socialize. So just let me know if you're interested in that. Okay, and the other thing I have is a while back we talked about clubs, and I'll go ahead and pull up the list of clubs that we have. And I'm sorry, they're not clubs, they're cross-curricular activities, but basically a club. Another opportunity for you to get together with kids your age. Where would that be? Let's see here. Okay. So these are our list of opportunities for you to get involved. And one of them is a reading club. And this is the club that I'm running with Mrs. Roop, who teaches middle school, and Mr. Rogers, who teaches high school. And we are going to be reading for our younger kiddos, Matilda. So if you are interested in being a part of the reading club, just let me know, or any of these clubs, you can just let me know, and I'll help you out, figure out how we're going to, who to direct you to get more information, to get you involved in the activity. So just let me know. And check-in wise, pretty much everyone checked in this week, so that's like awesome, guys. So let me see. Dominic, I need you to reschedule. Caleb and Kendall, I need you to reschedule. And Devin, I have you on for tomorrow at 2. And I believe that everyone else checked in this week, so that is awesome. Great job, guys. And a special shout out to my K2 Connects You group. This is the 3rd week in a row that everyone either came to the live lesson or did the makeup work. So that is awesome. So keep that up, friends. That is great. All right. Have a great day, everyone.